Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your phone number. Alright, and make sure before starting with the tutorial that you're logged into your Facebook account and open the application, and then from here tap on the menu option right in the bottom. Then tap on see more in Account Center, and from here tap on personal details. Then tap on contact info, and I want to delete my phone number, so tap on that number. Then from here tap on delete number and then tap on delete. From here fill in your password and then tap on continue. Alright, then from here it says there's an issue because he cannot delete my number because this is the only number that I linked to my account. Alright, you can fill in a fake account or you can fill in another phone number. And after that you can delete this phone number, but you need always one phone number for your 2 steps verification on the Meta apps. So make sure that you're using a fake phone number app or maybe a phone number of someone else, but this is the only way how you can fix this. Alright, if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.